Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 16th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across auto, telecom, energy and power, banking and financials, metals and mining, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in auto. Tata Motors made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.32% to 334.50 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that JLR profit falls 69% as supplier fire, Middle East conflict hit quarterly sales. Automotive news. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Moving to Telecom, Bharti Airtel climbed +2.73% to 1,992.10 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that India's Bharti Airtel posts profit rise on subscriber upgrades. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 2,111.63 Indian rupees level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Moving to energy and power. ONGC is down -1.46%, trading at 236.40 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel RE optimism. After today's weakness, the 229.31 Indian rupees area is the first meaningful support level to watch for ONGC. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. Moving to banking and financials. SBI dipped -1.41% to 1,067.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI proposes new rules to standardize loan rates for borrowers. Return on equity improvement, now approaching 15%, is the re-rating story that has driven the stock higher. Government infrastructure capex lending is a low-risk, high-volume growth engine. Any NPA reversal or write-back announcement would be a positive. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel dipped -0.73% to 183.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by strong RE earnings lift S&P 500, NASDAQ as inflation data calms rate hike jitters. Kitco. Tata Steel is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 187.17 Indian rupees resistance and 179.83 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.43, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.